Zdravo, ciao. That's like hello. Zdravo, 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 ciao.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Okay. Hello guys. Hello. Welcome to my channel. I hope I don't need to do a voiceover on this one. I really hope I don't need to do a voiceover. But guys, the reason why I'm like speaking so low is because it's so late. I don't know if you guys know this, but the walls in UK are so thin. They're so thin, like the next person, like your next door neighbor can hear you if you're not careful. Anyway. Oh wow, this thing actually works. I tried a new serum. Anyway, it's literally 5 days, like 5 days before my trip, my first solo trip, and I'm so excited. I'm super excited. So this is what's been happening. Today is one of those days that I'm actually like freaking out, like oh my god, you know what I mean, like oh, it's finally coming up together. And I'm like, I can't believe I'm doing this. Everybody thinks I'm crazy, or everybody that I know, my friends think I'm crazy because I'm gonna do this solo. They're like, who are you going with? I'm like, by myself. And they're like, really? So anyway, I'm just doing this video like to actually tell you guys that I'm totally terrified because I don't know what to expect. It's totally a new country. It's a new country, it's a new culture, it's different people, and I'm black, so you never know, people can be racist. I did research and everything, but you never know what happens really on the ground. So basically what I did is, because I've never been to a Balkan country before and I don't know how they react to black people or to people in general, I'm not sure. So basically what I did is I booked a few days, like just a few days, just to go start up and try and see if the place is really lovely and I get to meet people, make friends in the short time that I'm there. And if I feel like people react better to me, then I can actually go back again and really see. Because oh my goodness guys, I didn't tell you, I'm going to Serbia. So Serbia is a really beautiful country. Like it's beautiful. So I'm going to Serbia. Here I come. I'm got butterflies in my tummy. I'm totally freaking out. Ooh, I don't know if that's gonna work out or not, but yeah. So what am I doing at this time? It's like almost 11. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I just had a shower. I feel like water in my ears. I've just had a shower, and basically what I'm doing is, this is what I do every day. I literally try and cram greetings and stuff because I'm going to a new country here, and this is what I'm gonna do. So it's a new Balkan country, so let's see how it goes. So you guys are just gonna prep with me, isn't it? So I just had to do a video while I'm prepping. So this, here it goes, the first little word. So I'm using echo languages, like shout out to echo languages. I really went through your video, I really love it.
Hello.
If you know them, follow them.
Hi.
On YouTube, echo, I'm gonna take them on when I post this video. Zdravo, ciao.
Zdravo, ciao.
Zdravo, ciao. Zdravo, zdravo, ciao. Zdravo, ciao. Zdravo. I love that word, like zdravo.
Good morning.
Dobro jutro.
Dobro jutro.
Oh. Dobro jutro. I don't know if I'll get this language or not, but I'm willing to try.
Dobro jutro.
Dobro jutro. Dobro jutro. Dobro jutro. I suppose I'm going to be really exhausted when I'm
Dobro
in the
jutro.
morning. Dobro jutro. That's good morning.
Good afternoon.
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan.
Yes, dobar dan. Dobar dan. Dobro jutro. Dobar dan. Zdravo.
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan. Dobro jutro. Zdravo, zdravo.
Good night.
Laku noć.
Laku noć.
Laku noć. And with that, guys, I say laku noć.
Laku noć.
Wow, laku noć. 5 days. I'm counting down. You guys better be on my channel to
Laku
see
noć.
what I see in this country. I'm just gonna try and take a few videos. But good night.
How are you?
Laku
I'm
noć.
fine.
Laku noć. Laku noć. Good night. Ooh, Serbia, here I come. Yikes. Okay, so it's I have a few hours before my trip, and I'm a bit excited. I'm a bit nervous. I don't even know. It's crazy. Like, it's now hitting me. Oh my goodness, girl. That is so crazy, right? So between me and you, it's my first solo trip, like, so far from home. Yeah. Into the unknown. Wow, my lines need redoing. Yeah, it's my first solo trip away from home, so it's a bit nerve-wracking. I've learned a few words like greeting, thank you. Yeah, you guys did my lesson with me the other day, but I'm now just packing. Can you guys imagine? So they're very, very serious about luggage. Like, if they do give you the dimensions, they don't want it over by a little bit or heavier by a bit. They're very, like, they give you like dimensions, which is crazy. But it's okay because I'm not going for long. Like I told you guys, I'm just going to go there for a couple of few days. This is my nerves. I think I really need to sleep now. It's like almost midnight. I need to sleep and then wake up tomorrow. Yeah, I need to get this shadow off my face. I was gonna say makeup, but my skin doesn't feel like it's got makeup. I think it's just the shadow of my face. And I'll probably vlog in the morning and tell you guys how I'm feeling. Or I'll probably vlog at the airport. I'll see. I don't know. I'm a bit nervous. Now that we're here, my nerves are kicking in like... So what am I up to? Like, so obviously I did try and pack, but then now I just went to my bag, measuring the bag just to make sure like it's 40 by 30 by 25. I've just measured the bag. I've just put the bag on my scale, and yeah, let me show you guys my bag. So tape measure. Let me show you guys my bag. Okay, so this is my bag. I think this has got everything that I need, that I'm gonna need. Cute bag, isn't it? Got everything that I'm gonna need. For now, the only thing I haven't got pour is a water bottle. But I think I'll find a water bottle and clip it on here. But yeah, this is everything I'm gonna need for the next couple of days. Wish me all the best. We'll talk about where this bag came from later, but that's the point. And it's exactly what they want. These guys are very, very serious about the size. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please like, subscribe, and comment.